Remember, before writing full paragraphs, always build an outline. Just watch this. This keeps your writing focused, coherent, and ensures that no major point is left behind. Got my point? Every body paragraph should follow the Peel formula. All right, P means point, that is main idea, and E means explanation, why it matters. Next E, example, which means real case, evidence, or logical illustration. And finally, L, link, back to thesis or next idea. Okay, now it's time to build two full paragraphs, good versus bad, for our AI essay. Ready? This paragraph jumps between the ideas: productivity, job losses, pros and cons, with no clear structure. There is no concrete example and link with the thesis statement. It feels like random thoughts. Examiner's value, low marks. Before we move further, have a look at another good paragraph. Now, before we discuss the concluding part, look at these common pitfalls. These mistakes silently kill the clarity and coherence your essay needs. Okay? Your conclusion is the final impression and your essay's last handshake. It should not repeat the introduction, it should wrap up logically and leave the reader convinced. Okay? Let's look at what could be the strong and weak examples of our essay. First, start with a strong one. While artificial intelligence undeniably offers efficiency and transformative potential, it can never replace human creativity, ethical reasoning, and cultural insight. A balanced approach, utilizing AI's strengths while preserving human imagination and judgment, is the only way to harness technology without losing our creative soul. In the end, human values, empathy, and originality must guide progress, for only then can we ensure that AI serves humanity, not supplants it. Now look at this one. AI has pros and cons. Technology is important. Therefore, we must be careful. Now look and compare the weak version. Isn't it flat, vague, and fails to tie the main arguments together? Of course, it is. Remember, a beautifully written essay with zero structure is like a beautiful house but built on sand. So, which one impresses the examiner more? The beautiful house or the fortress? Of course, the fortress. And a simple essay with clear structure and logical flow is like a well built fortress. Okay, if you have any confusion so far, simply drop a comment below the video and I will respond. And if you liked this video, share it with a friend who is preparing for CSS. Let me tell you, we are here to remove stress from CSS and replace it with strategy, clarity, and confidence.